Thank you for joining the Straight Talk Tibet. Today, Anila interview for Lobsang Sangye president. Thank you very much.
Hello. Okay, so on October 28th was the 9th annual meeting of the Tibetan settlement. At this meeting, the Home Minister claimed that Shugden practitioners are not segregated and that they have all the same rights as other Tibetan people throughout the world. Can you please explain this?
Sure.
They have no shame. Everybody can see the monastery is segregated and separated. Countless people expelled from society. They collect the signatures and they also document people who practice Dorje Shugden. They also have recorded and to take oath not associated with the Dorje Shugden people. This they have such makeup lying, and this day it became routine their job. Because we are fighting for human rights and religious freedom. If Jaridama is telling the truth, why then don't they go to just like when they're collecting and segregate, why they don't do the same way with the document papers and go to settlement and explain it? Why they did not announce it? All Tibetans are allowed to practice Shugden if they wish to. Why there's no explain, or how come they never had anything in the document? If continue lying and try to have two faces all the time, and then their government or the Jari Doma is not going to be get away, and also we will never let going to get away. I want to tell that it's past the 18 years, they're segregated, they have religious persecution, and so it cannot be continue to lying through their teeth. This is it.
Thank you. The same meeting, the Prime Minister gave orders to be aware of anyone who associated with Shugden practitioners and told everyone that these people must be reported. They claim that Shugden people have long-term plans to stand off against the Dalai Lama. They say there is no obvious activity in India and Nepal at this time, but protests have begun in America, and that Shugden people need to be watched closely. They say they claim that we are all directly supported by the Chinese and that the Dalai Lama's life is in danger.
가len의 제인성도와 직다고 시청수는 로즈승게 대련도와 어떤지 이제 전에 직 시계도 제기도는 자리 현들 치는도.
And same time, at the same meeting, one is for claimed to be Home Minister Jaridoma, and one is for Prime Minister Lobsang Sangye, and they did not match what their statement.
되네 로즈승게 가르라스나 되네 휴대 되네 게 마카시세 녀녀 카시지 이어서나 이거 당연히 동야의 말이야.
Lobsang Sangye stated that we cannot relax even few Dorje Shugden practitioners around.
되네 이제 되네 이거 동배나 디타메 바치 차들이 가르치게배나 되네 테커 되네 자메다 카통대와 차들.
Here, the reason we cannot relax because Dorje Shugden people are directly connected to Chinese government.
내가 너희 되네지 달려라마기 되네 그소라 되네 카도니아가 체 그래서 나도
He also claimed that Dalai Lama's life also danger by Dorje Shugden people.
되네 이제 되네 제도 메뉴 희지를 여서나 마야와잖아 되네 카톡 리역 레콘도 대체카라 카톡 되네 라와잖아 렌치고래 했으니까.
He also ordered to directly report to the officers, even few Dorje Shugden practitioners around.
어떤지 이제 되네 타동라냐리 안도 되네 인지 안도 대시바도나 통도.
We can see is there any segregation, is there any religious persecution, why they demonize so much if there's or ego or right.
되네 히야데 그런 저기 히야데 가르치어야래 만수 담이도 쳐들 메트간 히야버야 데마케 말해.
They purposely demonize Dorje Shugden people to destruction our people. There's nothing in the truth what Lobsang Sangye claimed on it.
되네 이제 되네 다다 되네 들으니 히타치기 나로라 되네 든지기 깨져셔니 든지기 내가 지내데 다른사 마등에 여기 말했죠.
I don't think anyone in the 21st century to segregate and religious persecution going on only in the Dharamsala. I don't think any other country still doing it.
근데 이제 되네 지 대초그라 용도대 자지도 한바 맞아 담에도야 제대 메시카는 지가 그래서
They always try to destroy us and demonize us to choose any kind of baseless stuff, crimes.
되네 그런 게 달라미 그서도 태건대와 열세야데 자지잖아.
It's also to dangerous Dalai Lama's life is biggest lie.
강세거나 만수기 뇨다가 만수기 타동 도레동에데 달라마 그런 게
because the Dalai Lama is the who started segregation and to persecution us.
근데 이제 달래라마 가시 매바 차베인데나 맞쪽에 뇨다데 주는 뭐저 라데 차.
If the Dalai Lama is not alive, our problem will be remaining forever.
근데 이제 맞쪽에 레와라 그런 주는서 대비인데 나산비게 맞쪽에 레와전데.
We also hoping Dalai Lama is a live long life, so we can solve the problem by Dalai Lama.
강세거나 그런 게 제바인다 데 그런 유비 카톨데 도마체타나 야고 용서에서는 맞쪽에 레와자고 좀 세대.
We hope that Dalai Lama, who the only one can clarify, solve this problem, because he's the only one who created it.
근데 이제 되네치 데 쳐트거나 맞주 처음에 도야기 then yoji tasaga lekate majiro kis, trombukiro kis.
We wish that Prime Minister or exile Tibetan people to be truthful and fair at least. This we hoping they become more fair than just continue lying and trying to cover up their stuff.
Then the Azuki Laguya Karito, not Chironsoki, Pemisea Troda, Beji Ditomaki, Gekuyas, and the Shagundova, they did not hear the city.
We also say you guys claim that you represent all Tibetans.
The Kuguya not in the Majiro keys and
If you claim as you represent all Tibetan, you must treat all Tibetan equal.
Matsuking and it in Matun Ramaki in Basonza, then the Ramaki Taton, Ramandanya Marapadan, Tanjuke Tugumaris.
As we are human beings, we must receive human rights. Until then, we will not stop fighting for our rights. Thank you very much. That's our hope.
Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up for your right.